Assalamualaikum. In today's video, we gonna learn about 2 to 1 digit addition. First you have to know about tens and ones. So this is 2. So how many sticks will it have? 1, 2 sticks. And this is 1. So it's 1 stick. And we have to circle them and count them all together. 1, 2, 3. Now this goes to 3. And this is only 1 stick. This will have 1 stick. Also, it's called 110. So, it will have 110 stick. It will be here. So, the 12 plus 1 equals to 13. So, let's go to the next question. Start from ones and end with tens. So, this is 5 here. So, we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sticks. And 2 sticks over here. 1 and 2. And we all add them. So, let's count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to write 7 over here. And this is 1 stick. But it's not a 1 stick. We can also call it 1 time and nothing more. So this one has to be here. 15 plus 2 equals to 17. So let's go to the next question. So we have to start from ones and with tens. And these are 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is 1. So we have only 1. We have to write 1 stick over here only. And now let's add them. Let's count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 will be written over here. So this is only 1 stick. And this is 110. So we have to write the tens over here. So 18 plus 1 equals to 19. So let's go to the next question. Now this start from the ones and end to the tens. And then let's write 2, 3. 3 sticks over here. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sticks over here. So let's add them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7. So this is 110 left. So 1 stick here. So 110 and nothing more. This is also called 110 and nothing more. But this has a 3. So we can also call it 1, 10, 3 ones. So the answer of 13 plus 4 is 17. So upcoming carrying digits 2 to 1 digit. So bye bye.